All right, guys. So I know you guys cannot see my camera is because the desktop I'm at does not have the camera function working for some reason. So let's go with whatever we have right now. Let's go. So I want you guys to do is make sure that let's go ahead and sign up for a Microsoft 365 account. I want you to be very careful when you create this. It's only 1 month trial, so after 1 month you do have to go in and cancel it. Okay. So let's take a look at it. So just search up, go to Google and type in Microsoft Office 365 Trail. So you see the first one, which is Microsoft 365 Business Standard free 1 month trial. So you want to go in there and then click on try for free. Okay. So when you go here, you can add up to 25 users during the trial. Trial includes same features as a paid product. Credit card required for future billing. Paid subscription starts when your trial ends unless you cancel before the 11th. Okay. So 11th of next month. So I suggest even like 8th or 5th of next month, cancel it. Okay, just to be on the safe side, mark it on your calendar, put an alarm on your phone or something like that, but cancel it. Okay. So the best advice I'll give you is put this over here as 25, because you want to utilize everything right, much as possible. And I will just switch this back to a year, a month. Okay, from year to thing, just to make it simple on you. So you see that it's 25 users, it's $510, but you don't pay anything today because you're on the free 1 month trial. Okay. So in here, I'm going to put the same email address as what I put in for my Azure portal. Okay. It's going to ask you to do a puzzle. Pick one, sure, wherever that shows two identical option. Okay, let's get you started. It looks like you need to create a new account. Let's get started. Okay, perfect. Set up an account. I'm just going to fill these details in and then we'll get back to you. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm creating a email address for my domain. It's a trial one, so it's okay to be like this. Okay. I remember when I talked about adding in a credit card, I always use a dummy debit card I have from a different company. It's okay for you to use your card, but once you're done this once you've done this program, which is going to be 27th, please do go in and cancel this account. Okay. Let me complete this and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, guys. Now that my payment method has been added and it's been verified, I'm going into the confirmation now. Okay. Okay. So this is going to be just going to be accepting the charges here. If I do go over the monthly plan, I'll be charged $576 every month after the 1 month. Okay. So this will be the date over here. So I'll need to make sure that I obviously like to do 5 6 days before. So I'll mark it on my calendar to cancel it on the 5th of like next month or something like that. Okay. Let's do start the trail. Now that it's been completed, it's going to ask me to add an extra security into my account. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay. So it's going to ask me to register in the Microsoft Authenticator app. So open up your Microsoft Authenticator app. If you don't already, install the Microsoft Authenticator app and let's get it configured. And then you can go ahead and click next, set up the account. Perfect. And this is going to be the image you scan on the app itself. It's going to create the code for you. Click next. And then you're going to have to enter in the password, which on your phone, it'll tell you what's the password, the code is. Just enter in that 77 or whatever code it comes on your screen. And you should be able to authenticate it, okay? Perfect. Now it says notification approved. Done. So now my Microsoft account is secure. This is my email address, okay? So now you could be brought back to this page. That's going to ask you to save. So I say I'll just click save and I'll save it to my desktop here, just so I remember the email address, okay? And click start. This is the email address I want to sign into. Now you're going to be entering in your Exchange admin portal, okay? Or Exchange Admin Center, which is your EAC. Perfect. Now I click continue. And then you can add users from here if you like. If not, you can skip for now. Start using all the Microsoft 365. Done. Skip for now. All right, now that we're here, let's look at how we're going to actually, do the subscription cancellation so you don't get charged. Okay, so you don't have to do it right away, but I suggest do it 5 or 6 days before your subscription date is going to be ending. Okay, the free subscription is going to be ending. So let's go into your billing over here. Go into license, and you're going to see Microsoft 365 Business Standard. Okay, let's click on that. Now on top here, you see this Microsoft subscription detail. Click on that. Now, sometimes for people, for some reason, you only see the Microsoft Enter ID free for like maybe 30 minutes, okay? And then the Microsoft 365 standard comes up. It's only for some people, and it's been very finicky sometimes. It depends on the day, I believe, and how they apply the license. So if you don't see this, just give it about 30 40 minutes and you should be able to see it. But honestly speaking, you're going to be doing this maybe 3 weeks after, right? So I'm sure you'll see this. But if you were to navigate to this page right away when you create this account, you might not be able to see it. Okay, but it's fine, totally fine. Just stay cool. Okay, let's go in here. If you want to cancel, you click on the license over there, and you see where it says cancel subscription. You click on that, follow the steps. Okay, that'll cancel the whole free subscription, and you wouldn't be charged after that. Okay, but if you go back here, the same subscription here, manage subscription details. This one is a free one. Okay, so you can't really cancel it. It's just meant to when you have the account. So it's not your fault. You won't be charged for it. But just make sure before 5 or 6 days before, just cancel the subscription. Okay, as I showed you. That's all. Okay, guys. You're going to be assigned. You're going to be assigned the assignment. So you're going to be getting that over your email. So please complete the assignment and get back to me. Okay. Thank you so much, guys.